Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Cyber Reviews. Now, in my last video where I spoke about a ghost on my iPhone, I had people coming to message me and somebody even commenting that perhaps my iPhone is fake. Dude, I don't buy fake phones. No, not at all. Maybe I've bought one in the past, but that wasn't intentional. It was probably because I was duped and I didn't know better. But now that I'm a mobile phone reviewer, dude, I don't buy fake phones. I buy good quality, genuine, original phone. Say with me, good quality, genuine, original phones. All right, so someone else also said it might be my screen protector which is cracked. The person actually thought it was the screen which was cracked. So I'm doing this video to address all those things, and let's do a follow-up to see if this ghost is real or not. So in this video, I'm going to be taking off the screen protector that I have. I am going to use a wipe to thoroughly clean the surface of my iPhone, and then we are going to see if the ghost still exists on my iPhone. Now, the iPhone is a really great phone. I have my reviews of it on the channel. So if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on all notifications because I do mobile phones, mobile apps, and cool, affordable mobile gadget reviews. So like I'll say, the iPhone was a really great phone. It started the trend of the notch, and every iPhone up till today, even as at the time of making this video, has a notch. Now, the first iPhone I used was the iPhone 7, and it was an excellent phone. It didn't give me any problems. The only problems I faced was that the battery didn't last very long. So when I upgraded to the iPhone X, I was so excited. The display was awesome. Everything, the gesture-based control systems, everything was just awesome. I've been using it for like 2 years now, and it's a really great phone, but it has this huge problem that if you are deciding to buy an iPhone, and probably that's the reason why you are here, you search for whether you should buy an iPhone or not, and Google brought you to my good channel. Well, the issue is so huge that I think you should consider perhaps not buying, and let me tell you why. The iPhone is great. It has an awesome processor. It has 3 gigs of RAM, and mine has 256 gigs of storage. A good display. The cameras are awesome. But Apple has acknowledged that the iPhone X has a peculiar problem. Now, though Apple is saying it's limited to only the iPhone X, people have reported the same issue on the iPhone 6 as well. And even in recent iOS 13.3 updates, people are complaining that they are having this issue. Now, what is this issue? This issue is a ghost touch issue. And how it happens is you could be pressing areas of your screen and it wouldn't be responding. Or if you leave your phone unattended to and the screen is still on, you're going to experience that the phone will now begin to move on its own. It will begin to compose text messages to your ex and tell your ex that I want to come back. Or it will begin to send nudes or to your church group, or it will begin to resign on your behalf at your workplace. This iPhone that I'm using is crazy. Now you can see me on Facebook, and as I'm just going through the timeline, see, there it is. The ghost has started misbehaving after I thoroughly wiped the screen with a wipe, took off that screen protector, and even took off the keys, wiped the back, because it might be the case too. It could be the screen protector. You said it might be any manner of thing. So I'm doing everything to ensure that all those other possibilities are eliminated so that we can see clearly that it is the iPhone. And I'm not the only person who has experienced this. When you do a Google search, you can see many people are experiencing the same ghost effect on their iPhones. Now, mine is crazy. See it happening right now again. Okay, see it happening right now. I mean, this is crazy. This is bananas. This does not make sense for a phone which cost as high as a liver of a full-grown man. This is unacceptable. Yeah, so if you want to buy a phone and you insist on buying an iPhone, Maybe you wanted to buy an iPhone X and you have a really good deal, and you came here hoping that I would recommend that you buy the iPhone X. I'm sorry, but I cannot recommend that you buy the iPhone X. Perhaps you buy it, you might have better luck than me. But if you buy it and you experience this ghost effect and you don't live in the United States and you live somewhere like in Africa and there's no Apple Care Center near you and you can't send it for it to be fixed, then you're going to pay a lot of money to have it fixed because it's a hardware defect. It's not a software thing which can be fixed with an update. It's a hardware on some of the screens. So, if you want to buy an iPhone and you insist on buying an iPhone, perhaps you should buy the iPhone 7, which I totally love, but you should know that it has a terrible battery life. Or if you insist on buying an expensive iPhone, buy the latest iPhone 11. Not really the iPhone 11 Pro or the 11 Pro Max. If you have the money, you can go for those. But the iPhone 11 is super capable and it's an incredible upgrade from the iPhone XR or even the XS or the XS Max in terms of the camera department and the battery life. The capacity of that battery is good. So that is my recommendation for you. If you're new to the channel, it would mean a lot to me if you hit that subscribe button, turn on all notifications, and let me know if you have ever experienced this in the comments and what phone are you using? What are the peculiar challenges you are facing? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks, Babre.